As COVID-19 spreads throughout Ohio communities, nursing homes are running out of masks and gloves for protection.
5 on your side, Chief Investigator Ron Regan joins us. And Ron, you've been crunching the latest numbers and they are alarming.
Well, we found 1 in 5 facilities is dangerously low in protective gear. And in recent weeks, the number of deaths began increasing.
He would help anybody that he met.
Her father was 77 years old, living at this nursing home while recovering from a stroke. 2 weeks ago, he was rushed to the hospital.
He was positive for COVID and that it was already shutting down his liver, causing problems with his kidneys and his heart.
He died 3 days later and is part of an alarming trend. We found COVID cases in long-term care facilities began increasing, up more than 100 since the last week of September, when 291 tested positive. By the week ending October 11th, it rose to 396 in a single week. Meanwhile, nursing homes are facing critical shortages of protective equipment.
There is a growing shortage, particularly of the N95 masks that are really the critical ones to wear when you're dealing with someone who has COVID or someone who is their status is unknown.
We crunched the latest data filed with federal regulators. We found 168 Ohio nursing homes had less than 1 week's supply of N95 masks, 87 less than a week of gowns. The nationwide surge in COVID cases is fueling the shortage. Peter Van Runkle heads up the association representing Ohio nursing homes.
They've started to be hard to get again, which is very, very concerning as we look at the growth in cases that's now translating over to facilities. They can't be assured that they'll have a good supply.
Angela Schumann believes her father received good care at his nursing home, but questions why this letter confirming her father's positive COVID test took the county health department 8 days to send.
Why is there that big gap to let somebody know that? That doesn't make sense. And that's where I have the problem with the county.
And late this afternoon, the Cuyahoga County Health Department called to say it tried to reach out to the family on 3 occasions, but didn't get through before sending that letter. Meanwhile, the association representing nursing homes across Ohio says it is working with state and federal officials to find more protective gear. I'm Chief Investigator Ron Regan.
All right, thanks so much, Ron.